Hello everyone, welcome back to our today's session and I am Harshal Aire in front of you and today's host of you all. Okay, so guys, next our today's topic is all about lockdown. So guys, you as you know that in I think in 2022, am I right? In 2022, at the 22nd March, that lockdown was being applied officially, and at that time, I think in the lockdown there was a happen lots of the type of the things as like as there is a means I think most of the people also lost their life just because of the that corona means that there was a specific disease which was a corona, and due to that corona there was a lots of the families they lost their main member of their home. So that was such a critical condition in over all over world also, not only in the India but even all over world that lockdown is happened. So that was such a big and such a means such a bad things was for the everyone. So that was a such a critical situation at that time, and at that time whoever has survived, so first of all hands off all to that person who has survived in that all much conditions. So that was such a big challenge for the everyone to be survive in that lockdown and to be face that corona disease. Am I right, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so that was just we want to just talk on that all much things what you did in the lockdown and what how was the experience of you all. So okay, so next I would like to call yes brother, please come.
So,
And
hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. Today we came here for general discussion. So, our today's general discussion topic is about COVID-19 and lockdown. So, according to me, in COVID-19, there were so many people fight with that disease, but so many people give their life when they are surviving. So, according to me, that disease is totally bad because when that disease came in India, so on that time our education system also uh, doesn't control their self because when corona came in India, then that students who are in 10th standard or 12th standard, so they are not able to give their exam, and that time so many people's dies who are the who those people dies on that time who are the main members of their family, and they earn money for their family. So on that time too many families came on footpath because they doesn't have money to survive, and on that time every every human who is fighting with corona, so he or she wants oxygen cylinder, and on that time the price of oxygen cylinder it increased very quickly, and on that time so many poor people are not able to buy that oxygen cylinder. So according to me, in corona pandemic, those people who survived, so had I salute to that persons who fight with that disease, and who wants in opposite of that disease. So that's all about our today's
Hey friends, this is Sapna in front of you. How are you all? I hope we are all fine. And brother give us topic, very interesting topic about lockdown. So according to me, lockdown is very harmful. Means harmful for us. Means harmful means very bad for us that time, because in their corona many people have a job, but only because of corona they cannot go in outside of for job. They do work in online, but if any time the India mobile network is no any type of network, at that time some problems are created in their work. So it's a bad, and we all know that in our study also more much bad effect happen in their pandemic, corona pandemic, because we cannot go to outside, means in our class, in our school, and only because of that thing we lost our education, means we lost our study. And if any means at that time firstly corona came, and then after some students exam is there, so at that time they cannot give their exam, and they totally lost their more much study. And nowadays people also only because of that thing now they cannot get some job, because at that time no one give the exam. They give exam but MCQ pattern, and we all know that in MCQ pattern we are do cheat more much, and so that's why they are not give the job. And more much people are dead in the pandemic. Means brother told last time in the head of home are also dead, and only because of that thing in their home no one take the means no one are give to respect to them person, because in their family no one are a big. So according to me, nowadays also some diseases happen, so we should take our health. So thanks for listening me.
So hello everyone, good afternoon. It's me Gunjan in front of you. Today I am talking about the COVID-19. So COVID-19 coronavirus disease, we all called as a COVID-19, is a very dangerous disease, and their name is coronavirus, SARS, COVID second, and their first known infectious person which is located in Wuhan, in China, in December 2019. Most of the scientists believe on that the coronavirus spread in our population through the zoonosis species. Zoonosis means the species means infectious species like bacteria, pathogens, and viruses like that. There are many factors behind the COVID-19, like natural ecosystem destruction and environmental changes, and there are much more factor behind that. And thus COVID-19 disease specialty was there are infectious disease, and the symptoms are vomiting, shortness of breathing, and fever, cough, cold, like that. And we learn many things from COVID-19, like